Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
What are we doing today, Soren?
Hi, Grandma.
What are we going to show Grandma?
Cool stuff.
Cool stuff! Alright. You ready? Let's see it. There you go.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice job. Do another one.
You can do it.
Yay! Good job.
Hey, okay. Alright, let's stop it now.
Alright, show another handstand.
Do another handstand.
Alright, Doc, your turn.
One more handstand for Grandma. Ready?
Yeah!
Cool!
Sorry. Alright, stop it. No, stop. Stop. Come here. Stop. Hey, stop.
Want to say hi to Grandma real quick? Let's say hi. Come here. Let's tell Grandma a story. Let's tell Grandma a story. Tell Grandma about the truck.
It's a truck.
And what did it do?
It moved by itself.
It moved by itself. It was crazy, huh?
Yeah,
Were
it
you
was crazy.
thinking? You were thinking hard? Show Grandma how you were thinking.
I was thinking like this.
Uh-huh. Do it again. Like how? And then you close your eyes and you're like, move forward. Right? All right, say goodbye to Grandma, okay?
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye.
Bye, Grandma. I love you.
Yay!